We're gonna stay in Tribeca, and we're gonna continue to loft live, but this time, we added a level. We're going with a duplex loft in one of the most sought after boutique buildings in Tribeca. Without further ado, roll the clip. As you step off the keyed elevator, you're greeted by the chef's kitchen. It's a masterpiece of design and functionality, with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and an oversized island. From there, you enter the grand living area, which is absolutely stunning. An open, elegant space for entertaining and relaxing in style. This stunning duplex home is a sun-drenched sanctuary in the sky with soaring ceilings and walls of oversized windows. Every inch of the space is bathed in natural light throughout the day. The architecture draws your eyes upward while expansive skyline views stretch out in every direction. Downstairs, the bedroom wing is thoughtfully separated from the main living area, offering a quiet escape from the heart of the home. First, you'll come across this secondary bedroom, a spacious and living retreat that's perfect for guests, family, or even a flexible home office. Just steps away, we have this full bathroom that offers both style and convenience, making this part of the home feel like its own private suite. But let's check out the actual private suite. First up is this spacious walk-in closet that's currently being used as an office but could easily be converted into a fourth bedroom. The primary suite is thoughtfully designed. The spa-like in-suite bathroom features clean modern finishes, a double vanity, a walk-in shower with sleek glass doors that add both elegance and functionality. The bedroom itself is generously sized and bathed in soft natural light thanks to oversized windows that frame peaceful city views. There's ample space for a king-size bed, sitting area, and additional storage, all while maintaining a calm, uncluttered feel. Now, let's head upstairs, because I absolutely love this part of the home. This level is anchored by a beautiful solarium, and the flexibility up here is truly astounding. Whether you envision a creative studio, guest suite, entertainment lounge, or even a serene home office, this space can do it all. It even features its own kitchenette, making it perfect for hosting or extended stays. You can add cozy seating, a gallery wall, lush greenery, or a sleek workspace. The natural light pouring in makes it the perfect backdrop for your personal style. Up here, it really feels like a home away from home. There's another spacious room with an in-suite bathroom. This space truly has everything you need. And this isn't even the best part of being up here. Let me show you guys the best part. You also get access to a massive private roof deck. The views stretch across the skyline in every direction, offering a breathtaking perspective of the city. It's a rare vantage point that captures Tribeca in its most stunning form. I'm going to be honest, I love this tour so much. With its versatility, light, and layout, this 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath penthouse is listed at $4.995 million, and it truly gives you freedom to live however you want. And before you go, I have to show you guys one more thing. Not too many units offer this kind of view of Tribeca. I mean, how amazing is this? Wow. Now, number one, I do have somewhere to get to, but I'm going to stop. I want to give this one my undivided attention. The thing with